This is the no-nonsense guide to addition, sometimes called or introduction. Let's go. Addition is a valid inference rule that looks like this. P, therefore, either P or Q. The model shows a pattern, a form. When you have a truth, you can take it and attach anything to it, as long as you connect them with the or connective. In other words, P, therefore, either P or anything you like, Q, R, S, T, any of these will still result in a truth. Not because of Q, or R, or S, or T, those were just pulled out of thin air, but because of the P. The truth of P guarantees the truth of the whole or sentence. A statement using or is called a disjunction. Each part on either side is called a disjunct. Addition says, when you already have a true statement, you can build a new disjunction with that truth as one of the disjuncts. And it doesn't matter what you choose for the other disjunct. The entire disjunction still comes out true because its first disjunct was true to begin with. Kim left the party. So, either Kim left the party or Tom left the party. Using symbols, box. Therefore, either box or circle. The box and circle example shows that P and Q can really stand for anything. For example, Kim and Sally left the party. Therefore, either Kim and Sally left the party, or, if Alex left, then Jill and Zoe left. It looks messy, but the pattern is simple. Here's how it looks in symbolic logic, a natural deduction proof. Kim and Sally left the party, so we can infer either Kim and Sally left the party, or, if Alex left, then Jill and Zoe left. Using addition on line 1, or as some textbooks call it, or introduction, line 1. See the structure? This is true, so it's true that either this or that. Beginners sometimes try to use addition to create an and sentence. This first thing is true, so this first thing and this second thing I just made up is true. But of course, that doesn't work. How could both the first and the second thing be true when the second thing was just pulled out of thin air? So addition never creates an and sentence. It only creates a disjunction. You're free to attach anything you want. Q, not Q, neither R nor S, whatever you like. The key is to attach it with the or connective. Addition is a valid deductive form that builds a disjunction from a single true statement. If you know one thing is true, you may infer any disjunction containing it. Arguments can get more complicated and still count as addition, as long as the basic structure remains the same. To avoid error, remember, addition offers a lot of freedom, but you must use the or connective to create a disjunction. Found this useful? Hit like, subscribe, and keep learning in the No Nonsense playlist.